Good day, students. Welcome to Advocate Bapu Sahib Bonde High School digital class. You all must have watched yesterday's video. In yesterday's video also we have learned about tenses. Yes, today's subject is also English too, and we will learn topic number 19, that is tenses, from page number 39 and 40 of your learner's English grammar book. Children, we have learned yesterday about present tense and past tense. In today's video, we will learn the third tense, that is future tense. So, we will try to understand what is future tense. Let's start, student, the lesson. In our yesterday's video, we learned two types of tenses, that is present tense and past tense. Students, what is present tense now you know. The action which is going on in the same time, that is present time or now, is in present tense, and the action which has already over, which has taken place sometime before, is known as in past tense. Now today we will learn more type of tenses, that is future tense. What is future tense? We will read it here. Listen it carefully. The form of a verb which shows an action which is going to take place or happen after some time is future tense. Let's read it again to understand it more. The form of a verb which shows an action which is going to take place or happen after some time is future tense. What it means, students, we will have one example here. Isha will play hockey in the evening. Here the verb hockey, here the verb play is comes with will. That means she will play hockey after some time in the evenings. Just now she is only ready with the hockey stick, but she will play hockey in the evening. Just now she is not playing hockey. You can see in the picture. As we have learned, in present tense and past tense, there are two types of the tense, that is simple and continuous. Here in future tense also, we have two types. First, we will learn examples of simple future tense. You can see all these children, what they are doing. They are planning something. Yes, what are they are planning? They are thinking and they are planning that we will meet our friends tomorrow. So many of them have come together, but still they want some more friends to meet. And what they are planning or what they are thinking, they are saying to each other that we will meet our friends tomorrow. Means meeting some more friends, that action will take place tomorrow. So this is simple future tense. The girl is ready in dance costume, right? You can see in this picture. She will dance in an event. Just now she is ready with her costume and she is recalling what she has to dance. But when the action will take place in the evening, when event will be there. So she will dance in an event. So students, you must have noticed that for future tense we use words will with the verb to express the action is going to take after some time. For that we will use will. You can see one picture, one more. Yes, they are trying different clothes from the market, from the superstore. So they are going to buy this clothes. How we have to express in our tense, in our sentence? They will buy new clothes for kids. Their parents are with them and they are trying new clothes for their kids. So if they will like the clothes, they will buy these new clothes for the kids. Now what we can see in this picture, students, the boy is just thinking what he has to finish his homework, and what he is thinking, I will finish my homework in 1 hour. At the moment he is not writing anything, he is not doing his work, but he is planning or he is thinking that he will finish his homework in 1 hour. I will finish my homework in 1 hour. This is the future tense, that he has to do this work and he will do after some time in 1 hour. Now some examples are here for continuous future tense. I will read first example for all of you. Listen it carefully. They will be attending the musical show. They will be attending the musical show means what? At the moment show is not on. The show will be after some time and they will be attending that show. So all of them will go to attend the show and they will be enjoying that show in the evening. So this is the continuous future tense where we have used will be attending, that is verb with the form of ing with it. Now what you can see here, these children are making something. What they are doing? They have material for crafts. So they will be making some craft things. For what? They have to decorate their class for Christmas. So how we have to write the sentence about the children? We will write, boys will be making craft for decorating their class. Boys will be making. So we have used the verb make in its ing form, that is will be making. Boys will be making craft for decorating their class. Now one more picture is here. What you can see? What the farmer is doing? We will read it here. Farmer will be planting saplings in the farm. You can see saplings, small saplings in hands of farmer. And she will be planting soon. So we have to write the sentence as farmer will be planting saplings in the farm. So here we have tried to understand how to write continuous future tense sentences. Now students, we will solve the exercises given in your grammar book. Some of examples we have done it here and other remaining examples you have to do as your homework for tomorrow. Exercise number 1. What is the exercise? Identify the tense. We have given some sentences here and we have to identify the tense of that sentence. First one is today is Sunday. As it is given is, it is the simple present tense. Today is Sunday is the example of simple present tense. Now second sentence we will read and we'll identify the tense of it. Deepa will go to her native place tomorrow. Deepa will go to her native place tomorrow. So action is going to take place tomorrow. Action is not on just now at present. It is going to take place or will happen tomorrow. Here the word will is showing that action will take place tomorrow. Action is going to happen after some time, that is tomorrow. So this is the simple future tense. And one more example is here. The train was under the bridge. It was. Just now it is not there. But it was under the bridge before some time. The word was presents that the train was under the bridge. That is before some time train was there. So it is also an example of simple past tense. Now one more example. One more exercise from your book. Change the given sentences into continuous tense. We have given the sentences and we have to change their tense into continuous tense. Whatever the tense is given in the sentence, we have to change it into continuous. So first example, Rima dances well. Dances mean this is the present tense. We have to turn into continuous present tense. How we have to write? We have to use is. So we will write Rima is dancing well. So here again we have used ing form of our verb. Second example, Gopal will do his homework. Again we have to convert into continuous tense. This is the future tense and we will change into continuous future tense. So the answer will be Gopal will be doing his homework. We have to use will be doing. So it becomes continuous tense. And last example, I wrote a letter. This is past tense. Letter is already done. The writing of letter action is already done before some time. How to write in continuous tense but past continuous tense? So we will write I was writing a letter. This we are describing our action what we were doing before some time. So we have written I was writing a letter. Here is our third exercise. What the exercise is? Fill in the blanks choosing the correct forms of verbs and state their tenses. So we have given some sentences in which the verb we have to choose from these two given verbs, form of verbs. This we have solved for you. You will solve another remaining sentences from the grammar book. First one, I shall dash tomorrow. Meet and made. As you can see that this is the future tense. Shall represents the future tense. So we have to write MEET, meet. That is future form of the verb. So I shall meet tomorrow. And also we have to state the tense of this sentence. So it is in simple future tense. Second example, mother is cooking in the kitchen. Why we have chosen cooking? Because at the moment the action is going on that we can know from this is. So from cooks and cooking we have chosen cooking here. So the sentence we have to read as mother is cooking in the kitchen. And the name of the tense is simple present tense. And last example, the police dash catch the thief. Was and may are the options given. And we have to write may because was is the action shows that it is past tense. But here it is action may happen. It is not sure. So we have to use may. This is the simple future tense that the police may catch the thief. Police has not caught him already. So we have used may. That is simple future tense. Students, in this video, we have learned about future tense and we have understood simple future tense and continuous future tense both. If you have liked the video, like it, share it and subscribe it. Students, keep studying, keep playing. Thank you.